Look at this shit!
Oh, man. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. Let me call you back when you record this.
Damn! Damn!
This is Check Mercer at 11 O'Clock News. And right now it's always one place. That's right. I can tell you and I'll say, check it out.
Reporting live in North Las Vegas. It's a hailstorm going on and